everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Trailblazer. So before entering into today's market, let's do a bit of analysis, top-down analysis, and we'll see what is happening in the monthly chart, weekly, and then daily, and then we'll get back to the normal analysis based on the usual candles, right? 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay. So if you look at the monthly chart, you can see that monthly chart has traveled monthly candle has traveled from almost from 46,000 to 43,000, around 43,200. Okay, and then this looks like a huge bullish candle with a small rejection at the top. Okay, that is what we can see. And monthly chart indicates that, let's say, according to the candlestick psychology, let's say if some dip comes and then it retraces back, or it returns back again, it can test the top level of this candle. If this is breached, obviously we can see further up move, and a new all-time high. So that's what the candlestick psychology indicates in the monthly chart. So let's switch back to weekly. So weekly also looks very bullish and with a small rejection at the top, right? Weekly candle suggests that. And same like weekly candle, if it takes the new weekly candle, if it takes support somewhere here 51,900 or wherever it takes a support and then starts moving up, it can it can test the top of this previous candle around 53,200, right? This will be retested and if it is breached, we can see a further up move. That is what the weekly candles indicate. And let's say, when can we treat this as a weakness? So at least the low of this candle somewhere around 51,000 should be breached. I don't know if that happens, then only we can see a little bit of weakness in the weekly chart, right? So that's what the weekly chart indicates. Or maybe Bank Nifty can be sideways within this range of 52,000 around, and then 53,200, right? So this is also a possible, because if Bank Nifty starts taking a support at around 52,000 levels, and then starts taking the resistance after retesting this top, it can be sideways for a week or two and then starts making the move. Let's switch back to daily time frame. You can see here, you can see a kind of a bearish setup. Okay, so with shooting star kind of a setup, right? So evening star kind of a setup, not shooting star, evening star kind of a setup, where there is a indecision candle followed up by a marubozu, right? Bearish marubozu or bearish candle, strong bearish candle. If this has to be confirmed, the move has to be sustained below this 52,200 levels to further for the further down move. But you have to understand the market current scenario as well, right? So market is in bullish mode, right? So let's switch back to the lower time frame and see if we can draw some levels and identify the support and resistances, right? Based on which we can do the intraday trade. Okay. This is a 15 minutes time frame. You can see here market was clearly in a uptrend, right? So market was clearly in an uptrend. After that huge fall, market made an up move, a consolidation within a range, and then breakout and making the higher lows and higher highs format. Again a bit of consolidation and breakout out of this zone, and then higher highs and higher lows. Okay, you can see bank nifty is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This time it is not making a higher low, instead it is making a equal low. And then this time here it is making a, instead of making a higher low, it is making lower high actually, right? Instead of making the higher low, it is making the lower low, and then it is not able to sustain above this level, go above this 53 around level. Okay, then it came back and tested this low multiple times. You can see 1, 2, 3, and fourth time it broke this level, and this level has been retested also, and then market has decided to move downside, right? Now this is the current situation, right? So we'll see if we what we can do in the today's market, right? Let's see. I'll let you know if I take any trade. If we see a further down move below this, maybe that we can see a down move till here. That's what I'm hoping for. So let's see. Bank Nifty can bounce back after that from the support around 52,000 to 52,150 range, and then stay bullish to sideways after that. Let's add the options and all that to start trading, and then we'll get back if you take any trades. Trying to buy the 52,300 put, since Bank Nifty is showing some sort of a bearishness in the beginning. So bought 150 quantity of 52,300 put. So as per our analysis, we are seeing the rejection, hoping that the Bank Nifty is going to go to at least 52,150 around or 100, and then we will exit. We'll see how this trade goes. We are getting a good spike in the put price, put premium. Bought 150 more quantity here. So now the average buy price is 370, and we are standing with a 300 quantity in this trade right now. Now I don't have any idea to add more quantity, but then to close this trade as soon as we get a good profit in this. Okay, so currently trading at 412. So more than 40 points we are getting in this trade so far. Let's see if this spike, if this premium spikes a little more, so that we can exit the trade in green. Losing the momentum right now. Looks like Bank Nifty is taking a little bit of support here. Let's see how this goes. So it was showing more than 50 points at some point of time. So it touched around 414. Maybe this time it is going to retest that. Let's say if it is going above that, it may give us a spike. We can exit during the spike actually. Looks like we are losing the momentum downside in Bank Nifty. Not a good sign because Bank Nifty is right now trading at almost at the support. Maybe that Bank Nifty is going to trap the sellers who entered here in this particular trade and then maybe reverses. We lost more than 50 points of profit already. So I always look at the profit in terms of points, not in terms of the money I can see, because if you whenever if you want to adjust the quantity can be adjusted, but not the um, money, right? So your psychology should be same whenever you are trading with different amount of quantities. Okay, so we have added the SL. Our SL is at 328. Again, the back nifty starts moving. Looks like Bank Nifty is taking a pause again, meaning Bank Nifty might be taking a support here to prepare for the up move. In that case, we may need to exit the trade taking the stop loss. So I'll try to place the stop loss again here. Okay. Let's see how this trade goes. So I had to book the SL of 40 points in the first trade, guys. So my laptop got shut down. So I had to restart it. So meanwhile my SL was also gone. So I have bought 52,300 call now. Okay, so you can say this time. So I'm standing with a 420 quantity. I have added this quantity twice. Okay, and currently running in a small profit. I can trade this much of a quantity because my risk is under the limit still. We are getting a good 13,000 around profit in this trade. If we get a spike, we are good to close this trade actually. All we need is just a small spike in the call premium. The average buy price is at 466, and currently it is trading at 496. So more than 30 points we are getting in this trade. 500 around. Looks like the call is also losing the momentum. For sure, Bank Nifty is going to move upside only today because looking at how the sellers got trapped. Let's play the stop loss at 440 so that we are not we are not surprised by a sharp moves downside in the premium. Okay, let's see how this trade goes. Bank Nifty is right now trading in the sideways zone. And look at the volatility. Looks like it is gonna take away our SL in this trade, second trade as well. Okay, that's the SL guys in the second trade. So we were in a good profit of more than 50 points in 50 point in this trade also, and we had to take the SL. We'll let you know if I take any more trades. Thank you. Bank Nifty is taking support after the retracement to the support level around 52,300 area. Bought 300 quantity of 52,400 call, the initial quantity, and if the move continues further I'll add 300 more quantity. We bought at a right place, so it's a perfect entry. We have the space for Bank Nifty to travel upside as well. If this red candle right now, if this converts to green, I will add 300 more quantity. Yeah, added 300 more quantity. Now we have 600 quantity. Since it looks like a high probability trade, now the average buy price is at 367. Okay, let's see how this trade goes. Sell order didn't get executed guys. I have to close the SL order first and then I have to sell now. So it was showing around 35,000 of profit, but we lost a bit and we closed around with a 20. Yeah, we closed at 413. It's just about the 27,000 of profit in this trade. So we have covered the previous losses as well as we turned into 5,000 of green now. Okay, let's see if I take any more trades. I'll let you know. This is gonna be our third trade. So trying to buy 52,500 call guys. You can see the breakout in the premium and the tight consolidation in the Bank Nifty also within a small range. So I'm expecting this to break out the resistance around 600 area, 52,600 area. So let's see how this trade goes guys. We'll add 150 more quantity here. Bank Nifty is showing some sort of a bullishness, so let me add 150 more quantity here. Okay, if this turns to green, I will add 150. Yeah. Added 150 more quantity. Now my stop loss is at 359. Let's see how this trade goes, guys. Okay. Let me place the SL back, guys. We are not getting the expected momentum in the premium, so that we are not getting the surprises by the market. Looks like it is going to take our SL. Hope it is. It has enough space though. We gave a good room for the SL, but still looking at the current candle, looks like it is rejecting. Bank Nifty is being rejected at around every time when it is going. Yeah, it's the SL, guys. So we had to take the SL in this trade also. Let's see if I can take any trades. I'll let you know. Result of overtrading from a profit of 5,000 to loss of 5,000. Okay. We'll let you know if I take any more trades, guys. Thank you. Bank Nifty is currently trading at the support, guys. So bought 300 quantity of 52,500 call. Thinking that Bank Nifty can at least go to the resistance as a first target, and then maybe if it breaks, then we can achieve more target, right? So that was the idea. Let's see how this trade goes. Looks like I have to take another SL in the current trade, guys. So just waiting for the SL to be taken out. SL is at 356. Okay. So that's the SL, guys, in the current trade. We'll let you know if I take any more trades. Trying to take one more last trade, guys. So bought 150 quantity of 52,500. Since you can see Bank Nifty is right now trading at the support, so that's the only idea. And we let me place the SL here. Looks like this is gonna be one more SL, guys. Time is already 3 o'clock. We have been trading the whole day. We did over trading Okay, that's the SL. Hi everyone, welcome back again. There is a strong candle, hammer candle with a huge wick. So planning to buy 52,500. Just bought 150 quantity of 52,500 call, guys. So this would be our seventh trade. This is not trading, we just did the crime today. So let's see what is going to happen to this trade. Looks like there is a strong rejection. Let me just trial the stop loss so that we are not going to lose the points that we have gained. So place the trailing SL at 361 and currently it is trading at the 370. So right now it is exactly at the resistance. Bank Nifty kind of broke the resistance, but it looks like it is a false breakout based on which we have trailed the SL so that at least we make a little bit of points there. If it's gonna hit our trailing SL, that's more or less 4 or 5 points, more or less a cost to cost trade, guys. So that's how the day went, guys. We ended up closing the day with 13,500 of loss, which is badly needed though after a series of profitable days. So I classify today as a day of fear and greed, right? If I classify the trades, first two trades were controlled purely by greed, where I could not book the profit of 50 points in each trade. Third trade, we managed the trade pretty well. We entered, added to the winning trade, and then exited properly. After that, it completely controlled by fear, and fear of missing out kicked in after that, which ultimately resulted into overtrade, and the result you can see. So it's completely a emotional roller coaster ride today, in the today's trading session, live trading session. So we keep this as a learning, and we try not to repeat it again and again, right? So that's all, guys, today, and this is a great learning for today, guys. And the learning for today is that don't let the fear and greed control you, but you control the fear and greed. Okay, that's the learning for today. And then I hope you have a great learning as part of this today's live trading session. And for more such very nice content in future, please subscribe to my channel and try to encourage. So that's all, guys, for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.